Yo, YouTube, we back with another video, man. Y'all tuned into the Big Funny Ass channel. We in for a good one. Y'all stay tuned and let's go ahead and dive, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start a little different today. Um, if we scroll over, I lied. We're gonna do it how we normally do. If we look back here at November of 2022, down here at the lows of around 16K, we've seen the low before this bullish bear market that we've been in, this bullish uptrend. We've been up 365% uh, on the long-term time frame, which means that we are currently pushing up, creating higher lows and higher highs, right? So this means basically if you entered in November 2022, you'll be up a large amount right now. If you added leverage, you'll be up even more. But that basically goes to say, all right, from the low here, we were able to, if I move this, we were able to swing all the way up here, right? Amongst this whole like trend, along with this whole trend, we've seen pullbacks along the way. Boom, boom, and this is probably one of the deepest pullbacks that we've had. It is the deepest pullback that we had in this uptrend. And if we just look at, how long this trend has been, we'll take it from the top here, boom, all the way back down here, which is a 33% move towards the downside before we started correcting with this weekly candle. Now this weekly candle closes in the next two days, and it's been looking extremely bullish, despite the fact that we ended up coming all the way down and it was extremely bearish. I believe we got as low as 17 on the Fear and Greed Index, indicating that, okay, now's the perfect time to buy. If you got in here, that was amazing. But now it looks like Bitcoin is doing something that's quite phenomenal, right? If we scroll over here to the 4 hour, we can see that, excuse me, after we dipped all the way down here, price corrected really just one time so far. Boom, that was right here and established support here at the 54.6K area. It grabbed support there before it continued up above our key area of 60K, right? And I mentioned previously in the last couple of videos how I saw that the 60K was key support here, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It looks like now it's creating the 6th time, and this is ultimately just another deviation below the range of 60K, right? So this is going to be the 3rd deviation. As you can see here that as we speak, Bitcoin is really holding this 60K area nicely with some support. Just dipping a low just slightly here. If you were able to get in here, that would be a nice entry. You'll probably have your stop right here. You'll be in profit as we're pushing towards this 64K area. Probably will take some profit there. The next area will be 67, which will be somewhere right here. Next area will be 70K right here, right? So all I'm saying is, okay, Bitcoin is bouncing. It's holding this 60K area. I wasn't so sure if it would, just because of the multiple times that we tried already, and we just ultimately fell through like it was nothing, like it was a damn hot knife through butter. But now we're back. It looks like we're back, guys. Yeah, so it looks like the optimism is back. We are holding nice with this daily candle close that we just had here on Friday. Depending on Saturday and Sunday, we'll see if we can hold above this area. In my opinion, it looks like we can, just because we closed above this area. Now, if we close someone down here, that might have been a bit concerning, but so far so good. If we scroll over here to the daily on the S&P 500, we've been pushing north and we grabbed some support here at this area that I marked off for the longest. We caught a little deviation here, but was able to correct, come back and test this area once again, and now it looks like we're continuing towards the upside. Same thing with NAS 100, and it looks like US 30 is continuing to be bullish as well. The Dixie looks like it's slowing down as it created a nice wick right here, and it looks like it closed a bearish candle right here, so it might have more potential to go back down. If we look at the total right now, this large candle, it just indicates that we might be buying back into this range. If we can get back above this $2.18 trillion range, we should be in good shape. Bitcoin looks like it's poised to make its run up to 64K. Ethereum, on the other hand, looks like it broke above its key resistance at 25 or 2.5, the 2.5K area. It grabbed a little support right here. It looks like we're heading towards the 2.8K area, right? So all in all, prices just looks overall healthy. Man, I'm saying though, Bitcoin is moving at this very moment. Like, man, um, shoot, if you're, this is not financial advice, but if you were able to get in closer here, have a stop loss like right here, just 3%, and ride this all the way up to there, that's a 1.86 risk to reward. If you do it to the 67K area, that's a 3.21. If you do it all the way to all-time high, that's damn near a 5% risk to reward, or a 5 risk to reward, and you really can't beat that. That's 14% of your money if you use 1x leverage. If you, I don't even know, if you use more than that, you're making more than what you will make in the average, or from the average stock market return, which is 8% per year. But I just wanted to keep this video nice, simple, short, and easy to understand. Bitcoin is looking like it wants to hold the 60K area, meaning that the bullish narrative is back on, right? That's really all I got for right now. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video, man. Y'all tuned into the Big Funyuns channel. Hey, I'm catch y'all in the next one. Gone.